Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will discuss 3 AI short squeeze stocks and my overall market thoughts. But first, we have a new report on a NASDAQ stock trading just under 20 cents for subscribers. If you want our full report, click the link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area coded number. Never begin the format with 0, it will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging services are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat rooms. With that out of the way, let's dive in here first. Bears really had their chance to push the market lower, but the bulls came in, trading right at the 200-day, saved the market, bounced here off the 393 200-day moving average. Next major resistance is the 400 level on the SPY. What we saw today was some positive Fed speak. Bostic said that he offered a ray of hope for monetary policy. He said that the central bank could be in a position to pause rate hikes this summer. This is what the market wanted to hear. The market is looking for the Fed pause and then the Fed pivot to really get the market excited again. A lot of action today in Tesla, but the bulls came in, defended the 186 level. The market was able to bounce. Tomorrow is options expiration. I will be watching today's low of 186. We take that out. We're going straight to 180. We take out 180, and the next support is the 50-day moving average of 160. I think we break 180, we could see 160 pretty fast. So again, but guys, it's 100% mover since up 100% since the beginning of the year. Some profit taking is in store. The one thing I am concerned, there are some gaps down here. We could fill 160 breaks, so we'll certainly be watching that. But again, I am a long-term Tesla bull. I think opportunities to buy the dip will reward you. In terms of why is Tesla weak, the market just did not like Investor Day. There was no talk of the new $25,000 electric vehicle. Elon talked mostly sustainability and his vision, which is not what the market wanted to hear. Two names that continue to run, CDIO up 19% today and TRKA up 17%. I talked about TRKA. I said needed to take out the 46-cent level. We did do that, and we're above the 200-day moving average of 46 cents. So again, ran into some resistance at 60. But again, I think the price action here, great chart setup on TRKA. For the week now, TRKA is up 107% for the week, but CDIO is the big winner, up 599% for the week. They put out a PR today, which again, getting smart here, putting out more PRs. This will keep the momentum going in the market. So CDIO, another nice PR today. Moving on, BRTX closed up 29%, but this was a red candle. I've been talking about these red candle days. Talking about it, CDIO, we got the first red candle on the news announcement, and then the second day we got the run. So BRTX, we were looking for that same type of action, possibly, no guarantees, but basically looking for the green day. So in other words, above 361 could get really is what we're looking for, and then we're looking for a clear move above today's high of 431. So again, with these momentum names, you want to be playing green. You don't want to be loading up and buying red. You don't want to be buying dips because that just doesn't work out. I mean, BRTX has a history of spiking. We got a spike last December. If you would have bought this spike, I mean, it went all the way down, 250. So again, this spike here opened at 372, hit 440, which is today's 431. So it quite didn't get there. So again, this is your resistance level, and that's what we're watching. You get a clear break of that, then the stock can really, really run. So again, that's what we're looking for. Again, there's just a low float, just 2.9 million shares. We traded 34.8 million shares today. So that float is turning over. But the thing is, we're watching here is the RSI, little high, 70. So again, might be a little difficult, especially on a Friday, to really push BRTX. So again, it's a name to put on your radar screen. Next up is NLST, nice green bar here. No news, certainly interesting here by Trading Secrets. NLST and Netlist, something is cooking. We've followed this one in the past. It's got a lot of litigation against Google. This is an IP play. Certainly a nice price action. This chart has just been stepping up here. So let's see if we can get a major price spike. So again, this one has a history of price spikes in the past. So we are well familiar with NLST. Certainly watching this one for further continuation. What's really like about this one is that it closed right at the high of the day. So that is indeed a bullish sign. Next up is CLNV. Tweet out today. Where is it? Frank Benedetto. He said, clean vision after share count from Equinity transfer agent. We believe we have discovered a 40 million share discrepancy. Share Intel data will shed more light on this. GNS CEO Roger James Hamilton he put out, this is nuts. Robbery in plain sight, 40 million counterfeit shares. Naked shorts after record count. Join today's CEO roundtable, 12:30 Eastern with Frank Benedetto, CLNV CEO Dan Bates, and Wes Christian to discuss. Well, Roger, I hope you can pump CLNV better than you can on GNS. Look at this just round trip here. This is when Roger started his naked short war, opened at 85 cents, ran, 10x, ran to $8. We're now down at 228. So again, this is a round tripper. Guys, ignore this bullshit. I hate to curse, or ignore this BS. Just trade it. Don't own it. Get in, get out, make that money, move on to the next play. Don't fall in love, with these plays. Don't fall in love with any influencer, myself included. We're not financial advisors. Don't fall in love with any, especially a penny stock CEO. You want to fall in love with a CEO. There's Warren Buffett. There's Tim Cook. Go follow those guys. But Roger, I've talked about this. They signed all these deals with these toxic lenders, and they're the reason that the stocks are where they are. It's because of their actions as CEO. You can't, when you fail as a CEO or you lose your shareholders' money, it's an easy way to blame the shorts. But again, a lot of this, as I talked about, guys, before, it's toxic debt that, these CEOs sign these deals with these toxic lenders, and then, they get the money from from these funders, and then these toxic lenders just go and they do naked short, but they're going to convert their debt, the money that they loan the company, into shares, and then they can deliver. So that's a lot of what's happening. But again, there is some naked shorting going on in terms of other companies, but in terms of a lot of these deals that are complaining about this, a lot of this has to do with toxic lenders. Next up is OBSV, trading at 10 cents, trading in the after hours on a Form 4. Put out here, director bought 4 million shares at 11 cents, which is a $440,000 buy. We liked what this tweet had to say. A bit of an overreaction for OBSV to a Form 4, but we'll take it. He sold out again, not whatever here he's saying. I think CEOs are watching what is happening in the market with small cap PRs and taking advantage 100%. So again, you get these naked short talks going on, tweets and everything, but it is juicing stock prices. So whatever you want to play the pump, you just don't want to be in for the dump. So again, as I've said, play the pump, get in, run, play the momentum and get out. You want to be playing momentum. You don't want to be dip buying and praying and hoping for a turnaround. Hope is not an investment strategy, guys. Lastly, guys, I think these AI names are going to squeeze tomorrow. AI was out with news. AI up almost 19% in after-hours trading as the company turned in better than expected fiscal third quarter report and suggested the more business strength is in the works. The company lost 6 cents a share, excluding one-time items, on revenue of $66.7 million, compared to a loss of 7 cents a share in the prior year. Sales from subscriptions totaled $57 million. The company's results beat the estimates of Wall Street analysts who had forecasted AI to lose 22 cents a share on $64.25 million in revenue. Chief Executive Thomas Siebel said the company's results show the overall business sentiment appears to be improving, and AI is seeing a dramatic change from what we experienced in the middle of 2022. For its fiscal fourth quarter, AI estimates revenue will be in the range of $70 million to $72 million. Overall, the AI market is hot. AI stocks are hot. But now we have the shorts in. Right now, AI, 24% of the float is short. SOUN, 9% of the float is short. And BBAI, 17% of the float is short. So I think we're going to get some short squeeze action in these three AI names over the next coming days. So tomorrow certainly shall be an interesting day, and we'll be paying attention. But don't forget, guys, we have a special report on a NASDAQ stock under 20 cents that we just released the full report to subscribers. Click that link or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com with your email to get our full report. Guys, it's completely free, and you can see the level of research that we do here at insiderfinancial.com. Finally, Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Thanks for watching. Also, smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Good luck, guys. Bye-bye.